The only concern that I have, and it's not even like a major concern, but something that slightly worries me, because that's what I do as a lifestyle is worry, is too, too many changes. Could that be a negative in the short term? Definitely not in the long term, based on the quality of players we're getting. But in the short term, could too many changes be an issue? Because now you're making it along all the lines. You know what I mean? It's not just, the midfield changing or your front line changing. You already changed your right back, left back, possibly a center back. You're reshuffling your midfield, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. You are probably introducing new faces up top as well.